Understanding Credit Monitoring, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important topic, credit monitoring. Whether you're planning to live, work, or study in an English-speaking country, understanding this concept can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and importance of credit monitoring. Credit monitoring is a service that keeps an eye on your credit report. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and payment history. By monitoring this report, you can be alerted to any changes or unusual activities, such as new accounts opened in your name or changes in your credit score. This is crucial for detecting potential identity theft or credit fraud. The importance of credit monitoring cannot be overstated. It helps you 1. Stay informed. You're always updated about your credit status. 2. Detect fraud early. Spot unauthorized activities quickly. 3. Maintain good credit. By monitoring your credit, you can make better financial decisions and maintain or improve your credit score, which is vital for getting loans, credit cards, or even renting an apartment. Credit monitoring services keep track of your credit report at one or more credit bureaus. These services typically alert you of changes. This includes new inquiries, accounts, or delinquencies. Provide regular credit reports and scores, so you can see where you stand. Offer additional services, like identity theft insurance or assistance in case your identity is stolen. When selecting a credit monitoring service, consider the following. Reputation and reliability. Choose a service with positive reviews and a strong track record. Services offered. Some offer more comprehensive monitoring than others. Fees. Many services charge a monthly fee, but there are also free options with basic features. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and workings of credit monitoring. Remember, staying informed about your credit can protect you from fraud and help you make sound financial decisions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content.